Comrades, on the day of budget, every LICian was shocked to hear the budget proposal of the finance minister, where it was decided to sell partial shares of the government in LIC of India, which has become, which was a shock to the fraternity of the LIC employees. This is only a reaction, initial reaction of the joint front, which was decided spontaneously. And our program of today, lunch hour demonstration, followed by 1 hour strike tomorrow, will be carried forward. We cannot allow this. And as a joint front, we are even in touch with other trade unions also within LIC. It is the duty of every LIC employee to resist this move of the government. Let us understand what is what. The investment of the government, which was earlier 5 crores, which was increased to 100 crores. For 100 crores invested by LIC. You imagine last year, the dividend paid by LIC was 2,600 crores for the financial year of 2018-19. Apart from this, last year we have paid 10,670 crores of taxes to the government by way of income tax, by way of GST, and by way of other 12 taxes which we have paid. So nearly about 13 to 14,000 crores we have given back to the government only in single 1 year. This is not the property of the government. This is the property of the people of this country. This is the property of 29 crores of policyholders of LIC and 11 crore group insurance policyholders. Totally 40 crores of public of this country own this LIC of India. It is not the property of the government. It is the property of the public. So we should not allow this. As a responsible employee of this corporation and even as the citizen of this country, we should resist this move of the government. These programs will continue. The initial programs given today and tomorrow will be continued, and we will go to any extent to stop the move of the government. It does not stop with this disinvestment of say 5% or 10%. We have seen. And this is not a business sense. No business which is running in profits, anybody will disinvest a business which is running profitably. When government says we are privatizing, we are selling Air India, they say because it is running into losses. Now you have to answer to the LIC employees, to the public of this country, why you are disinvesting the share in LIC which is running very profitably. You have to answer this, because the performance of LIC is extremely well. The performance of LIC is uncomparable with any other insurance industry, not only in the country, in the entire world. Nowhere in the world a public sector insurance company has maintained its market share of 70%. And not only that, this year we have regained 6% of the market share, and our growth, LIC growth, is more than the growth of the insurance industry in this country. So what more performance you want from the employees of this corporation? So this is an unjustified action on the part of the government, which every employee of this corporation has to protest. And we will fight to the last. We will not allow the government to disinvestment this mother corporation which we have built over a period of 70 years. The worth of the corporation is not 31 lakh crores. It is, to our estimate, it is minimum 10 times of what is estimated by them. So this action of the government was unwarranted, unjustified, which we have to fight tooth and nail, and all the employees of the corporation are requested to stand by the joint front, by the program designed by the joint front, and to protest against this move of the government. So my request to all the employees of the corporation, we have to create our awareness among the public also. Now we have started seeing from yesterday the move of the government which has gone into the public saying that LIC is being privatized. So initial reaction has started coming where even the public is angry against the government against this move, where they say this move is unwarranted. And today we have seen, even in the press it has come, that spontaneous reaction from the employees, from the trade unions. So unless we build a momentum against this move, and I am confident that the struggle of the trade unions in LIC, which has seen the move made by previous governments to take back that decision, we will continue that stand. We will continue our fight till the government takes back its decision of disinvestment of LIC. So our request is come together. Together we will fight. Together we will win. And I am confident that we will win against this decision of the government of selling partial investment in LIC. So I once again request all the employees to be united on this aspect and fight against this injustice. So congratulations to all the employees who have assembled within a short time, showing our protest against the decision. So I request everybody to continue this momentum till the decision is taken back. Thank you, Congress.